It's Jack here from Dixon Estate Agents, and we're excited to welcome you to 8 Macintosh Street in Auchenflower. This huge 824 square metre allotment is just moments from the CBD and directly across the popular Frew Park. This beautiful character home features 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2-car accommodation. Inside you'll see beautiful character features including polished timber floors, soaring ceilings and VJ walls. The home is exquisitely located moments from Rosalie Village and an easy walk to Milton State School. We're really excited to welcome you to Afton Home this Saturday.